Did you know that AI can now produce human-like text? Yes, you heard it right. Large language models, or LLMs, are turning this into a reality. And it's not just about writing fancy sentences. These models are revolutionizing everything from our daily interactions to the way businesses operate. Imagine an AI writing a full-length novel, answering your customer support queries, or even helping your child with their homework. This isn't a distant dream anymore. It's happening right now. LLMs are already creating content that is indistinguishable from human-written text, and they are getting better every day. But it's not just about writing. LLMs are enhancing communication, breaking language barriers, and making information more accessible to all. These models are transforming the landscape of technology, business, and communication, impacting our lives in ways we've never imagined before. Intriguing, isn't it? But how did we get here? Let's dive into the history of these impressive models. The journey of large language models started decades ago with simple algorithms and has now reached a stage where they can write like us. In the beginning, there were basic models that could barely string together coherent sentences. These were the baby steps of language AIs, like the early versions of Google Translate. However, they laid the foundation for what was to come. As technology advanced, so did our understanding of languages and how we could teach machines to understand them. This led to the development of more complex models, like the recurrent neural networks and long short-term memory models. These could remember past inputs, allowing them to form more meaningful sentences. Then we saw the birth of transformers, a model that revolutionized the way we approach language processing. Transformers could understand the context of a word based on its position in a sentence. This was a game changer. Our journey brings us to the present, where we have the extraordinary GPT-4, the latest iteration of the generative pre-trained transformer series. GPT-4, with its stunning 200 billion parameters, has pushed the boundaries even further. It has made significant advancements over its predecessor, GPT-3, by generating even more human-like text. The improvements in context understanding and sentence completion are truly remarkable, making it increasingly challenging to distinguish output from that of a human writer. And this is simply the beginning. The field of large language models is rapidly evolving, bringing us closer to the day when machines can truly understand and generate human tone. So we've seen how LLMs have evolved, but how exactly do they work? The magic of LLMs lies in their ability to predict, understand, and generate language. But how do they do it? Well, the answer to that can be found in the realms of machine learning and neural networks, which form the backbone of these models. At their core, LLMs are trained to predict the next word in a sentence. They do this by analyzing countless examples of text data, learning patterns and making educated guesses based on that information. Think of it as a game of fill in the blanks that the LLM is constantly playing. But it's not just about predicting words. LLMs are capable of understanding context and nuances, thanks to the power of neural networks. These neural networks mimic the way our human brain works, allowing the model to understand intricate details like sentiment, sarcasm, and even cultural references. These models undergo a process known as training. During this phase, they are fed vast amounts of text data and are taught to predict what comes next. Over time, they get better at their predictions, effectively learning from their mistakes and successes. But it's not just about understanding language. LLMs can also generate language. They can write essays, create poetry, and even generate code. This is done through a process known as inference, where the model uses the knowledge it gained during training to generate new, relevant content. From this understanding, we can see how LLMs have become a powerful tool. But where exactly are they used? From chatbots to content generation, large language models are revolutionizing various industries. Let's take a closer look at their diverse applications. In the world of customer service, LLMs are powering chatbots that provide instant, round-the-clock assistance. These AI-powered conversational agents can understand and respond to customer queries in natural language, offering a highly personalized user experience. LLMs are also making waves in the content creation realm. They're capable of generating human-like text, be it an engaging blog post, a captivating story, or a persuasive marketing copy. This not only speeds up the content production process, but also allows for a higher degree of customization. And it doesn't stop there. LLMs are proving instrumental in language translation, breaking down communication barriers and fostering global connectivity. They can comprehend text in one language and generate accurate translations in another, all in real time. Moreover, in the healthcare sector, LLMs are helping physicians by providing potential diagnoses and treatment suggestions based on patient symptoms. They're even being used to create personalized learning experiences in education, adapting to individual learning styles and pacing. But perhaps one of the most exciting applications is in the realm of gaming. LLMs are being used to generate dynamic, responsive narratives, enhancing the immersive experience of video games. With such a wide range of applications, it's clear that large language models have a significant impact. They're not just tools, they're powerful allies, opening up new possibilities and transforming the way we live and work. LLMs are not just about technology, they're changing the way we live and work. Let's take a moment to digest this. Large language models are transforming our world in ways that were once the realm of science fiction. They're revolutionizing businesses across the globe, driving efficiencies and opening up new opportunities. For instance, customer support chatbots powered by these models can handle thousands of queries simultaneously, providing quick and accurate responses. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also frees up human agents to handle more complex tasks, thus driving productivity. But the impact goes beyond the corporate world. Imagine a world where language barriers are a thing of the past. That's the reality these models are creating. By understanding and generating virtually any language, they're making communication more accessible than ever. Whether it's helping a tourist translate a foreign menu or enabling cross-cultural collaboration in a global company, LLMs are breaking down walls and fostering understanding. Furthermore, these models are playing a crucial role in making the digital world more inclusive. For people with disabilities, they offer new ways to interact with technology. Voice assistants, for instance, can help visually impaired individuals navigate the internet, send emails, or even write a novel. However, like any technology, LLMs come with their own set of challenges. Bias, misinformation, privacy. These are just a few of the challenges we face with large language models. As we dive deeper, let's not forget that even the most advanced AI systems are not without their hurdles. Consider bias. AI systems learn from the data they're given, and if that data is skewed, the output can be biased too. This can lead to unfair and often harmful results, particularly when these models are used in decision-making processes, from hiring to law enforcement. Misinformation is another challenge. While LLMs are adept at generating human-like text, they aren't capable of discerning truth from falsehood. This makes them a potential tool for spreading disinformation, posing a significant threat in today's digital age where fake news can spread like wildfire. Privacy is also a concern. When LLMs generate text, they do so based on the vast amounts of data they've been trained on. This raises questions about how we can ensure the privacy of individuals whose data may be part of these training sets. These challenges underscore the importance of ethical considerations in AI development. It's not just about creating powerful models, but also about ensuring they're used responsibly. That means addressing bias, combating misinformation, and protecting privacy. As we continue to navigate these challenges, we can't help but wonder, what's next for LLMs? As we cast our gaze towards the approaching horizon, the potential of large language models, or LLMs, appear immeasurable. Picture a future where LLMs can comprehend and generate any human language with extraordinary precision, ushering in an unprecedented era of global communication. Visualize advanced AI systems, empowered by LLMs, fabricating entire books, scientific reports, or even scripts for films, all customized to your unique preferences. There's even the exciting prospect of LLMs powering autonomous agents, resulting in self-learning systems capable of performing tasks with minimal human intervention. LLMs, with their transformative capabilities, could seamlessly integrate into our everyday routines, assisting us in deciphering intricate data, making our interactions with technology more instinctive and user-friendly. They could also herald a new age in education, offering bespoke learning experiences for learners across the globe. But it's not just about autonomous agents or personalized learning. LLMs could also aid in areas such as data analysis and interpretation, customer service, content creation, and even mental health, serving as virtual therapists. The possibilities are certainly boundless. However, as we diligently stride forward, we must also contemplate potential hurdles. Guaranteeing the ethical application of these models, addressing inherent biases, and assuring transparency will be paramount. The journey of LLMs isn't merely about technological progression, but also about the societal effects and the prudent decisions we make today. As we hover on the precipice of this AI revolution, how do you envision LLMs sculpting our future? From their evolution to their impact, it's clear that large language models are more than just a technological marvel. They're transforming businesses, enhancing communication, and even raising ethical questions. We've seen their potential, their applications, and the challenges they present. As we venture into the future, the influence of these models will only grow. As we continue to explore this exciting frontier, we invite you to join us on this journey. What are your thoughts on LLMs? Share with us in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into large language models. Your time and interest are truly appreciated. We hope you found our content engaging and informative. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Your comments and shares help us reach a wider audience and facilitate crucial conversations about AI's future. And if you want to be among the first to know when we release new content, don't forget to hit the bell notification. We appreciate your support and look forward to exploring more AI topics with you in the future. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and as always, stay tuned.